Good morning, dear students. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am. We are fine.
Dear students, today I will ask some questions about birds. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. We are ready.
Okay, my first question is, where does birds fly?
In the sky.
Good. Now tell me, which is our national bird?
Peacock.
Very good. Now tell me, which bird can see at night?
Owl.
Good. Now tell me, how many legs octopus have?
8 legs.
Well done. Now tell me, what does a peacock do when the rain comes?
Dance.
Good. Now the next question is, name two birds beginning with letter O.
Octopus. Owl.
Good. Now tell me, name two birds who can swim.
Swan. Duck.
Very good. Now tell me, which bird can talk like us?
Parrot.
Excellent. Now tell me, can a hen fly?
No.
Well done, my dear kids. Now tell me, which bird is known as king of birds?
Eagle.
Well done, my dear kids. You have done very well.
Thank you, ma'am.